Okay, now we're going to go to our injection screens. From the view screen, our first main menu, now we're going to go to injection. We have our velocity set points, our cutoff set points, and our hold set points. So from shot size, which we can't tell from this screen, you have to hit the back arrow key to the charge screen. Then our shot size is 6 inches in this demonstration. So now you hit the back arrow key again and go to injection. Now, from 6 inches to 4 inches, we're going to be going at 1500 psi and 100% flow. From 4 inches to 2 inches, we're going to be going from 15 at 50% flow. And then from 2 inches to our cutoff, either time or position, we're going to be going at 1500 psi at 25% flow. Now our cutoff position is checked for time, position, and pressure is not checked. So the time is set for 6 seconds, the position is set for 0.4. So whichever one of these two are made first, the machine will then drop down into the hold function. Hold number 1 is set for 500 psi, 15% flow, and 2 seconds. And in this example, we are not using hold number 2. From here, we go to our function screen. This gives us an exploded view of our cutoff position or injection switch. The mode checked is position, time, but not pressure. It is set for 0.4, 6 seconds, and 1500 psi if we were using pressure. Then it also gives us our actual of what's going on. Our activation position is it will not start looking for pressure until we get to 1 inch. The machine comes standard with RJG interface. So if you have your external DI, which is external digital input check, it will cut off by the RJG system. Then we have an auto purge function where you can set in your position for injection, the pressure, and the speed, how fast you want it to charge. First is the pressure at 2000 and the speed at 15%, and how much suckback or pullback you would want. 1 inch position, 500 psi, 20% speed. The time that you want this to rotate at will be 10 seconds. You want it to auto purge 3 times, and the total count will be 60 seconds. Auto purge, no, or use. You check auto purge, and then you would hit your charging key. Function 2. You have a cold drop function, no or use, or intrusion, no or use. We have a graph option on the screen to where you can monitor how the machine is responding to your set points on the injection screen. Then the parameter screen, constant out is your setup for your injection. This machine happens to have valve gates. Your maximum injection time is 60 seconds, which is settable. Your delay after injection is set for 0.1. Velocity after injection is 0%, and you can delay injection. The stages is where you would enter in more stages. If you wanted to have, instead of 3 stages as we have for velocity, you can enter up to 6 stages for velocity, and then you can enter in up to 5 stages for injection hold.